Hey yo, chat, what's up? It's been a hot minute since I done streamed, but we back, cause special occasion. I have announced officially my new game about like an hour or two ago. Yeah, I've been talking about me working on a game for a good while, but I've never actually like shown off the title or anything. But it's now out. It's ASTROMANIA. I've been really excited about working on it. Really excited? That doesn't make any sense because I've been working on it. I've been excited to show it to people. So yeah, we're gonna be. Whoa, it's been a while since I streamed, but the word trips never stop. Yeah, we're gonna be doing some game dev stuff and maybe do something else if I get bored in between that. Also, can I just say my favorite part about live streaming is just watching the watching the like kilobytes per second just drop gradually. Every time I stream, I don't know why my internet connection is beautimous. Once I start streaming, it just like it can't keep up. I don't know why. But we are living in the 21st century. This should be trivial. Trivial? I think I said something like that. But yeah, welcome to the stream. We're gonna be doing some game dev stuff in a second. Hey yo, what's up, Arcade? How you doing? How you doing? Give me a second. I'm cold. Hopefully that doesn't screw up the noise gate too much. Yeah, let me just give me a second. I haven't streamed in a bit, so I forget how stuff works. Is that just alright, I guess it just works right off the get-go. Welcome to Unity. Not Unity. Welcome to Game Maker 2. Yeah, it's been a found my guy, poggers. Actually, I should probably get a chat loaded up on OBS so I can see things. Chat. Yeah. There you go. Just throw it. Can I not put it anywhere? Let me put it somewhere. Hey, look, chat, you can see yourself. Whoa. I can't. OBS, let me dock it somewhere. Please. I'm begging you. You know what? Screw it. I'm putting it right there. In front of the stop streaming button. Alright. Now, I won't be working on any, like, gameplay stuff, because I want to save that for, like, an announcement trailer or something. I'm going to be working on, like, UI stuff. So, to give the basics right now, what I'm going to be trying to do is work on, like, the upgrade menu in the game. There's going to be, like, upgrades you can get, and I want to work on that menu. But I want to show you what I've been working on so far. So, you remember Squeen's Venture 3? It's kind of doo-doo, if ain't gonna lie. This will all be changed, so I'm fine showing this all off. But this is the title screen. Alright, it's poggers. Credits right now are that. I really like this like cloud thing. The filters. I just discovered like you can do I didn't just discover, but I discovered like pretty much when I was making it that you can do like cool like filters on backgrounds, and I was like, oh my god, I want to do that. So I did it. And play. Here's the current upgrades menu. It's kind of doo-doo. Yeah, you can get like different weapons and stuff like that. You can get upgrades for those weapons. It's gonna be big. It's a big game. It's gonna take a bit. But yeah, here's what I'm actually like super stoked to show people. The settings menu. I have been working on this for a good while. Everything's like Screen 3, or well, Screen 2 was kind of hard-coded. Screen 3 was less hard-coded. It was still kind of hard-coded. But now, it's all modular. Everything is modular. So you have like, you can turn off the screen shake for things if you want. My name? It is your name. Holy crap. You can turn the screen shake on and off. You can set if the text have outlines and stuff. You can set if the button background show. I kind of like it if the button background show, but sometimes I turn it off. So that's your general tab. You also have your visual tab, which shows like full screen, and you toggle your VSync. You can set your resolution to different things. This took so long to make. You also have audio. This stuff doesn't work yet, but right now it's like better sliders. Yep, there's a bug. Yeah, if you can catch them all like Pokemon. Gotta do that. So you get your master volume, you got your music volume, you got your effects volume. You can control that all independently. And also gamepad support. I don't have anything for gamepad right now, but I will in the future. I'll still have like controller sensitivity and dead zone stuff like I did for Squeen 3. But yeah, that's what I'm working with. This looks so clean. I love it. It took so long to make this. I should show you. I might actually show you like the old version of what it was, because it is such a far cry from this. I'm actually gonna do that real quick. I'm gonna quit out of the game. I'm actually gonna go to the intermission because I'm scared I'm gonna show you like porn or something. Give me a second. Give me a second. Give me a second. Boing, bam, bop. Alright, we're in like an older build of this. It's still pretty much the same thing. It's just credits don't work and achievements, well, they still don't work. But settings menu is delicious. This is what it was. So yeah, you have your cursor speed. That doesn't work because it only works if you have your like an Xbox controller plugged in. You have your full screen. That works beautifully. Road show back up. You have your set text outlines, button backgrounds, desync, all that jazz. But now it looks not only does it look cleaner, not only is everything lined up amazingly, but everything saves. It's saved in Squeen 3, but now everything like saves, you know? Full screen still doesn't save. I don't know why that part is tripping me up so much. But like I cannot get full screen to like you set it to how you want it, then you exit the game, then when you enter back in the game, it sets it back to how you had it. I don't know why that doesn't work. I've tried fixing it, doesn't work. So I'm probably just gonna put it on the back burner for now and wait until the future, maybe try and fix that. If I can't, it'll be fine. I think not having full screen save every time is good, because if you accidentally screw up the resolution, you might not be able to click stuff in the actual game window, and then when you alt F4, if it would save, you still wouldn't be able to do that. So now if you accidentally screw it up, you just alt F4, go back into the game, boom, everything works. What am I talking about? Oh yeah. So yeah, it's been hard. Arcade actually used, he kind of yoinked some of the code for his new game. I don't know if he's announced the name yet, so I'm not going to say the name, but he yoinked it for his new game. So you know it's going to be quality. Let me tell you, it's good. It's good. I play tested it. It ain't that bad. And that was like an early version. I can only imagine what it's going to be like when it's all finished. But yeah, this is what I got going on. I want to work on, like I said, I want to work on the upgrades room. Yeah, this room. Cause right now I'm gonna admit it's a tad bit doo-doo. When I say tad bit, I mean a lot bit. The only thing I'm really like struggling with is like how I want it to look. Cause I'm not really set on like how I want it to look. Been too busy with tech, haven't worked on it a bit. I mean, still, whenever it gets finished, it's gonna be bussin'. That's a guarantee. And so is this game. So yeah, I'm gonna try to find. I definitely do want it to line up with like how the settings menus look. I'm probably gonna do like the upgrade thing up here and the back button. That's probably what I'm gonna do. I don't really know how I'm gonna lay out like the stuff, but I'll figure it out. So I'm gonna go into Photoshop real quick. I'm actually gonna hide the screen real quick just in case there's something bad here. Oh yeah, there was tons of bad stuff there. Not like disgusting things, but like stuff I wouldn't want you to see yet. Right. So for right now, we can actually probably just like highlight all of this, group that up, hide that, and then I still have these. Actually, I need that credits like title. I'm just gonna copy and paste it. Good enough. Alright, I need to do upgrades. That's not at all how you do that. You could delete it, that would be nice, thank you. Upgrades. Boing bang shakalaka ding dong. This is gonna be way too big. Maybe if I hide these? Eh. I think that helped. I think that contributed a little bit. Down a little bit more. Is that good? That looks good. That looks good. I've been making porn. Stopped working on ASTROMANIA for a while because I wanted to make sure the cutscenes had real nice liquid physics. That was the most disgusting thing I could have ever said. nice viscosity. That's even worse. How am I gonna do this? Actually, I might have an idea. I scored. Anything bad there? It's fine. I am scared though. I'm actually gonna show off like a super secret project. I don't know what super secret projects I have, but I know. But I know if I show it off, it would be kind of sucky. Upgrades. Overlay. Boing. Alright. Head back into here. Settings menu, not settings menu, upgrades room. For right now, actually, I'm gonna move all of these down to here. The gem counter, I'm probably gonna move somewhere else. I don't know yet. Like that. Upgrades. Back. Boink. Do that. Import. Oh yeah, I should probably update the cover. I'll do that after I'm done with stream. I forgot about that. Do action, don't care, didn't ask. Okay, do that. I need to rename overlay. Let's get rid of that. Overlay, and this right. Stretch it. Boom. Look at that. Looks beautiful. I'm also gonna replace this, because I don't know if it's different from this. Just in case it is, though. It's not, but you know what? It's better to be safe than sorry. Alright, so let's peep how that looks. This game, I gotta say, it's pretty good. Like it's I'm not gonna like show you any gameplay, but it's like a wave-based, like not wave-based, kind of like a bullet hell maybe? No. It's like a roguelite kind of shooter game, top down. It's gonna be cool. You're gonna hopefully like it. Play? Yeah, that looks good. If you go back, goes there. What? Oh, yeah. If you click on the button, and then I need to screw with all this stuff. Right now, I could probably shrink it down a good bit. Immaculate, indeed. Oh, from when I played Immaculate. Oh, dang. How am I? Actually, it might be better if I just, like, put this in. So I need the upgrade. Great text. Can I make it? No, I'll make it bigger. Why did my headphones turn off? Oh yeah, I'm not using them. There's no sound, that's why. Okay, so it's probably going to be something like that. I'm also going to move this up. you could snap, that would be grand. Alright, apparently it's not gonna snap. That's fine, that's fine. My idea currently is to have like the weapons like you can see like their sprite and they're like bigger. So you can tell it's like that kind of category. Because right now they're just blanks. And then I'll probably have like different like sprites for each kind of the things. So the upgrades right now are damage and cooldown. I'll probably add, or yeah, unlock, damage, cooldown. Unlock's gonna be the thing. I might add like another one. I don't know what that would be though, but I have a few ideas, but I don't know if I kind of want to do that because it might make the guns too overpowered. That's why I'm scared when I'm making the upgrades. I'm like making them too, like when you keep buying it, it's gonna make it too overpowered. But, you know, we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Yeah, what's the thing here? 16. Actually, I probably need to go into functions. Hopefully that doesn't show off anything bad. No. Nobody understands this. But fine. X. Replace that. Y, replace that. See, this is good because because when I just reference this, I don't have to put down all this code. Just put down that. And then depth. Alright. Image Y scale equals 7. Is that right? Y scale 6.2. Sure. 6.2. Don't I also need to do X scale? Oh no, I don't need to do X scale because it has like a pop-in animation. Okay, I'm gonna go into the text. Where is it? This one. Also, I'm gonna move these up to where like the other option things are. Do that. Great. X scale 0. Depth. Scale is equal to. It's different. Scale X. 4.4. Should I just make it? No. Because if I do that, then it's gonna go off the thing and then it's gonna look stupid. Alright, let's see how that looks. It's complicated. I don't know what it means. How's it already been 20 minutes? That's actually wrong. That's settings. Yep. Not what I expected. Upgrade name before reading it. That didn't happen before, so it's in the draw of the thing. In the draw of this? Oh, good lord. Upgrade name. It's not getting a name from anything. I don't know why that's only popping in now. Yeah, it's not getting the upgrade name from anywhere. So, maybe I screwed something up in here because I was going around there. Upgrade name is button up name. It's in the button parent? Huh? Wait, let's try to... Okay. Oh! I know it's going wrong. Because I created one, and it doesn't have anything to go off of, so it's like, what am I supposed to do? I get you. There you go. Alright. Does that work? I might need to make the thing go in a little bit smaller. The text is screwed up, but I might need to make this go in, like, slower. Because I do want it to, like, very obviously, like, pop in. That's game manager. Button parent? No. Also, I just realized you can do this. Like, this is awesome. Also, I have too many things open. I need to close them. What are you developing? I'm developing my brand new game, ASTROMANIA. And it's like a top-down, like, roguelite, top-down shooter, like pixel art style. I don't want to show off any gameplay yet, because I want to wait for an announcement trailer to do that. But right now I'm working on, like, UI stuff. I'm trying to figure out, what was I doing? I forget. Oh yeah, I was trying to screw with stuff. Create, step, make it like 4.5? That work? How does this look like? That's nicer. I like that. It's like, it's nice and smooth. Alright, now I gotta screw with the text. Probably make it a bit smaller. The middle text is nice. That still works. Gotta move that down, move that up. Alright. Let's screw with that. Weapon name. Try text full. Oh, I also need to do outlines for those. What am I supposed to be doing? Okay. This all needs to go down. I assume, like, if I do that, if I move everything down by 20, that's not right, is it? 380? That just seems like it's moving in closer. 420. Funny number. Please work? No. Kinda. Made it worse. 340, let's try 360. I don't think that's how that works still. I'm bad at X and Y. Play? Yep. Just as I thought. 360. Let's do did I do 320? I'll try 320. The top down, do you mean like you play it's a bird's eye view versus a side view in a platform game? Yeah, it's more of a bird eye view. That's still not right. What am I supposed to be doing? Let's keep this. Put that back at 400. I'm gonna be at this for like 400 years. Okay, I think that's in a good spot. So I want to move that closer to this number. Yeah, try 380. If that doesn't work, we'll try 400. And then do that. Okay. I am messing with the wrong thing here. Let's try here 380. Yes, I understand now. Almost. Okay, so this is the weapon name, so that needs to be higher. 400. Let's try 360. That might work. I'll screw with the upgrade name later. Play 360. Alright, that's pretty good. That's pretty awesome. Weapon unlock. Just gonna do 300. 300. See how that works. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. Now I need to make the status unlocked. I need to do that thing. Like, I need to make it smaller, and I also need to make it go more up. Let's do that next. Cost 400. So for Y to go. Trying to like visualize this in my head. Let's try 380. Not 480. 380. 380. Text full. What other fonts do I have? I have 28. Let's try 28. 28. Do 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 do. How are we looking? How are we looking? Close, close, close. Try 360 now. That might be a bit too much. Nah, that's good. That's good. That's good. Actually, it might just work if I do 36, because it might have only just looked like that because it was off kilter. Go back to 36, see what happens. Yeah, that's still good. For that increasing weapons, that probably needs a that definitely needs a smaller font. Unlock selected weapons is good. Like the damage stuff text, that's definitely not bueno. But it looks good. Looks good right now. Somewhat. Alright, so let's go with that. Let's just do 28. I'll go like 1 down. I don't think I have anything smaller. Oh no, I do. Then you just screw with the cooldown. Status unlock for some reason is super gigantic. I don't know why. I don't think I screwed with that. But that looks better. Was status unlocked always that giant? Okay, that's good. So status unlocked, make that a bit smaller. 28, and then I need to do the same thing for cooldown stuff. 2, do 28. Ah, this is the life. The best part about game dev is just making numbers a little like a tiny bit different and seeing how it works. Still going off the thing though. I don't want to make the font smaller because it's already super small. I could probably just like make it onto a different line. That's probably the best thing I could have done, like from the get-go. I'm gonna do that. I don't have 18, do I? I have 16, that's it. 16. I need to go full that much full bore. Let's just do 55 there. What am I gonna do? Oh yeah. Damage. I forget how to do this. Oh yeah. That's not it. N. Go and just do that there. That should make it a different line. Bibbidi bobbidi boobidi. Platform do you use to dev a game? I use for every time I try to start a sentence, it screws up. I've been using Game Maker for a while. It's pretty good. I like it. I like the layout. I like the everything about it. I tried Godot in the past. That didn't really last long. Unity's pretty nice too. But this is the one that I've stuck with the most. Game Maker. Try this. Okay. Well, it's better. Alright, let's do 65. Do. Boinkity boinkity. Almost. Maybe I'll try just 70. Maybe the 5 more pixels it was going down was really screwing me up. But I don't think so. See, now it just looks weird. That's 72. Make the smallest increments possible until it looks just right. Godot isn't that good in my opinion. Well, for you, you did kind of like, you did go full bore into it and you used the tutorial from like 3 years ago, so that probably left the crap taste in your mouth. I just didn't really like it because I didn't like how the interface felt. I thought it was okay. I think Godot's like a fine engine, but I just didn't really like it personally. Yeah, that looks good. It's still going off filter though. I'll have to sacrifice cooldown. Will that still look good though? Guess we'll find out. Because I don't like it. Pinkity boomkity. I say stupid things all the time. Is that better? Alright, that's good. That's good. I don't know if like the split is gonna like look nice, feel nice, whichever those synonyms are. I think that looks good. It might be a bit too close, which case I think I'll just put it back to 75, so that means everything that I just did concerning this number has gone to waste. We'll see how it looks though. Yeah, that actually looks stellar. Alright, now I just gotta like outline this text. Maybe this text too. A lot of this text. And then it should be good. I'll just start with this stuff up here. So I'm just gonna copy it. Paste it. Draw, upgrade name. Outline. That's not how you spell outline. 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 I'll do that. Make life easier for myself, and then I need to do outlined. Outline. Alright, so how are we looking? How are we looking? Oh yeah. Alright, so string. H-line. Not good. It is good. Alright. Let's just do black. I don't need to write this down, but that's nice. We're gonna try an outline thickness of 1 to start off. I'll just do that. I don't care enough. We'll see how that looks. Not a bad distance between them from a design perspective. Yeah, I'm just scared like it looks weird because I do want the long and the cooldown to be right next to each other. Who cares? You cannot even tell there is an outline there. There's like the most minuscule outline there. So I'm gonna need to boof it up a little bit. Try 3. 3 is like in the danger zone because when you start going past there, the outline starts to look weird. It's not like an actual like full outline. You're just drawing the text like 8 times around the actual text to give it like the appearance of an outline. So I don't want to go too ham on it. But from what I can see, that actually doesn't look that terrible. You can't really notice it unless you look for it, but I think it looks nice. Alright, just gotta do that for all this other text. Let's do... Why am I doing that? When I can do... that. God dang it. Why do you put parentheses there? Alright, outline color. Let's do black. Outline thickness, let's do 2. Do all of this, draw upgrade to outline. Oh my god, there's a lot of code. This is a line and a half. Holy good lord. I'm gonna separate it. Okay, not like that. I'm gonna separate it. Good enough. Draw text. Outline. Only thing, the weapon font looks a little weird next to the others. Not really a big deal. It's nothing you had. I think, like, I don't know why I made it a different font, but I don't know if I've either grown accustomed to it, and if I change it, it looks weird, or just actually, like, I like it. I think it looks nice. It's like a distinction. Plus, I use that that like pixel font a lot more in the game, so I think it like blends in the more like smooth fonts and the pixel art kind of style of the game better. I don't know. Everything's still in development. I'll figure it out as I go along. Right now, that doesn't look too terrible. Draw text. Do outline. Also, I'm amazed that nothing crashed. I don't know how, because it's not right. I need to do replace this. That in here. Do away with that. And then I need to give it the same thing. Why is this wrong? Great. Why you... That's why. No! You stupid. Outline color, don't care enough to put that there. 32. Does this work? That works. Alright. 2. Ah, almost done. Not really, but almost. Let's do... That would have been... That's not the right thing. I don't want to add 2 outlines to that. Draw outline. Upgrade description. Outline. Right, cooldown upgrade. Outlined. If I have to say outlined one more time, I'm gonna delete my entire channel. Outlined. Great. I need to do set the color, set the thickness, get rid of this, set the color. That's not right. Set the color. Set the thickness. Thickness? What? NotTGP, then it's just gonna go down the drain. Don't. It's not. It's fine. Alright. Let's see how this looks. Again, you can't really tell it's there. That looks good. I might have to change the thickness to 3. Might as well. That's the same number. Why did I do that twice? 3, then 3, and 3. I think for that side of the thing, that looks good. Hey! That actually looks not half bad. Yeah, I kinda like that. Now I just need to do like the unlock thing / the cost thing, and then that'll be done, and then we can move on to the actual buttons. Draw text. Outlined. That's unlocked. Don't set the color there. Instead, set the color here. Set the outline thickness to 3. Oh my lord, what I do. 3. There you go. Get rid of that. Don't get rid of that. Oh my god. That's fine, exactly how it is. There's a lot of code. I don't understand like half of it. And then outline thickness 3. And that should be good. Come on. Yeah! It's outlined. It's barely noticeable, but it's outlined, and now it looks better. Alright, sweet. I just gotta work on the buttons. I don't know if I have enough room. Where am I gonna... there's a lot of things I gotta fix. Maybe? No, I kinda want that. Could maybe put like a gem count like here, because I don't know if this is gonna be permanent. I'll figure it out. For right now, I think that looks good. So now what I want to do next, I want to add the sprites to the inside of the buttons. To make this modular, it's going to be a little stupid. Step, not a step, I need a draw. I need, let's just make a sprite. Sprite equals, right now let's just do alt. So, go into the draw event. I remember what I was going to put here. Need to do the draw self thing. And do if sprite does not equal fault. Then I'm going to actually draw like a little weapon sprite. I'll probably have to change that for when I do like kind of the different like looks of the different upgrade buttons. But right now that's good. Sprite. It's a weapon unlock. I need to see. How am I gonna do this? I think it looks so simple. It's not simple. It's only simple because like I can only make it look simple because I've been doing this for like 4 billion years. I try to like sometimes when I'm trying to like wrap my head around the code, I just can't because like there's so much of it. There's so many like interjecting like fused things, not fused, interconnected. Everything's interconnected and like you don't know which way was like when it was first referred to, and then it just gets complicated. Yeah. Or button up name equals, or actually I should probably do self, just in case. Self, is that not a thing? Or no, it's ID. Equals weapon upgrade, weapon unlock. Do that, I need to do a switch. It's gonna be for weapon ID, or weapon ID num. Let's do weapon ID num. Another one of those. Then case 1 raw sprite. And then do I need to do that like extended? I don't know if I'm gonna need to like screw with the Y scale or not. Just in case. I'm gonna put an extended. So if it's, so that would be the rifle, like the default blaster rifle. Pickups. I could do the pickup things. Would that be different? Maybe. Do S. Weapon 1 pickup. And then what do I need to do that for? Alright, 0. X. Let's do X, Y, X scale. I'm gonna leave that at like 1 for now. Rotation 0, color be white, alpha 1. Break. We'll see how this fares. We'll see how this fares. Maybe it looks good, maybe it doesn't. Who knows? You know what? It shows up. We're gonna need to make that like 25. We're gonna need to boof this. We're gonna need to boof this sprite all the way up. I forgot it's a 16-bit game. Oh, a little too much. Like 15. Or 15. We'll see how that looks. Because I want it to be like a little bit big. Change to 10. I want these things to be like bigger. The upgrades, I want it to look like, you know, I'll show you. That is better. That is definitely good. I like that a lot. What I might do. Variable, I'll just move these somewhere. Do that. Just throw those wherever. I feel like this isn't gonna fit. And actually it might. That's probably right. It's 15. Okay, yeah, I was right. So now it's gonna look like different like things. 40 is good. 7, 38, 39, 40. Or that's not right. Needs to be this one. 5, 6. Boom. And then this would be that. Along with that. And then along with that. And then that. Along with that. And then that's the super shotgun. That doesn't have any upgrades for the moment. See how this looks. I think this is gonna look nice at least. Yeah. Could probably make it a bit smaller actually. I don't know. Also, that's not right in the slightest. I don't think. It doesn't look right. Is it right? That's right. Looks weird. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make it like 12, maybe. I do want to take up a lot of the button so you can see, you know, what's good. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. Now I just need to do the other weapons. Case 2, just group. Yes, weapon 2, pick up. Break. Probably just actually highlight this entire thing. Case 3, that would be the... Actually, it doesn't even matter. I don't even need to know. This is all numbers. 4, 4, and then 5, 5. I think I have 6 weapons, so I'm gonna just do 6, but in case I don't have any, then I can just remove this. And that should fill up the entire thing. That should make it look dang well nice. Look at that. That's all the weapons for right now. So you got the rifle, you got the minigun, you got the shotgun, you got the pistol, you got the double shotgun. Looking fresh. Then I'm gonna have like a different Have like different like kind of sprites or looks for it, rather. Yeah, I really like that. That actually looks really nice. Yeah, I like that. I like that. I might actually just keep this down here because now I've grown accustomed to it. Maybe I'll move it somewhere else later down the line. I was kind of thinking about putting it like right here, but I don't know if that would look good. Could do like available gems like in like red text above this. I feel like that wouldn't be like noticeable really. Okay. So the plan is I'm gonna put like I'm gonna have like different sprites. So this is a damage upgrade and a cooldown upgrade. I'm gonna have like a different kind of looking sprite for the damage upgrade and a different kind of sprite for the cooldown upgrade. And then hopefully there's gonna be I kind of want there to be like a line connecting these so it looks nice and you can like discern like, oh, that goes to that instead of, oh, that goes to one of these. So that's all very like connected and similar. Might actually make more sense to do this now. Because I think there's like, let me measure IRL. Yeah, I think there's about the same amount of room, so it wouldn't really matter. Actually, no, it would take up more room because it's going vertical instead of, it's going horizontal instead of vertical. I don't know. I'll start working on these sprites. So damage. I don't know why. I kind of had like some in mind. We'll try it out though. Sprites. I'm gonna do sprite. I'm gonna make it 16 by 16 because that's what I like. Hit image. I don't know why I had this idea. That's too much. That's too bright. Or that's too like pink. So like discerns. Does that look nice? I'll keep it going. Maybe it looks nice. Maybe it doesn't. I don't know why, but when I thought of damage, that's the first thing that came to mind. Maybe add some shading to it that could make it look nice. Actually, this all seems like way too bright. That's too much. Much shading. I actually really like that for some reason. Maybe if I make... Because I feel like something's off with that. If I make this thicker. That actually... Yeah, I kind of like that. I don't know if it, like, conveys, like, damage real well. I think that looks nice. Do S. Damage. Button. Yeah, S damage button. And then I need to go back to this. Damage upgrade button parent. I can do else if up name equals Damage upgrade. Open that up. Don't really need to do all that. Don't really need to do cases here because there's not different types of the damage. All I need to do is do S. Damage button. That should look nice. I'll see how that looks. See how that looks. Okay, it's a little big. Also, I forgot to center it. A little big, forgot to center it. You know the deal. Let's try 5 maybe? No, it's already at. Try 7. It's all trial and error. That damage? Why that damage? So what to do? Switcheroo here. A little big, so I'm gonna try 5 because I want it to be a little bit smaller than the button. That's better. Yeah, I like that. I like that. I think it looks nice. I'm kind of thinking, like, I don't know. I was kind of thinking like something like if it's like not unlocked, it could be like grayed out or something. I don't know. And now I need a cooldown button thing. Cooldown button. Bing bang boom. Edit image. Here comes a train. Do 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 do. I think of cooldown. I think of cooldown. I just draw on some from whatever comes to mind. I'm thinking I have no idea what I'm drawing. No, drawing has never been my strong suit. Is that some? This actually means nothing. Actually, it could kind of be like a bullet. Like, maybe if I do something like... If I make this like a bullet... It's like shooting out of a gun. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm gonna be completely honest with all of y'all. You know, good enough. Or no, do this. Make it a shade darker. Yeah, it definitely looks something. It could kind of be like a bullet, because what cooldown does, it makes the like how fast the bullet it makes bullets fire faster in the gun. So that could be like a bullet getting shot out. I don't know what I'm talking about, bro. Don't ever let me near the game dev convention. because I would just be making stuff up on the spot. But cooldown button. Yeah, that looks. I need to make it a bit bigger than the damage thing because there's more space. Yeah, I definitely need to make it bigger because there's more space between the thing. But I think that actually looks not terrible. Yeah, that looks nice. I'll maybe screw with these sprites in the future. Probably. But for right now, I actually like that a lot. Yeah, I think that looks nice. I'll add like upgrades to this too. But I don't know, because I want more upgrades past this point. So I don't know how I'm going to do that. Also, I said I was just going to add upgrades and then I didn't do that at all. How would I? I had one idea where it was like a slider kind of thing. And just move these sprites all up. But I don't really know, A, how would I do that, and B, if that would even look good. Maybe I could do like different like sections, maybe? I don't know. Yeah, I'll figure that out later. For right now, this definitely lines up more with what we had at the start then. Actually, let's compare real quick. Might as well. I need to go to stream. I would like to see it in action. Give me 1 second, I'm trying to find the thing. I think this is close. Give me 4 years. Yep, here we go. Okay, can't really get rid of the title and all the YouTube stuff. But that's what it looked like earlier. There's the back button, and then there's like the things, and then that thing. But now, it looks way better. That looks nice. I'll definitely be working on that more in the future. But for right now, I think that looks good. And I think that was a good game dev stream. But yeah. So I think with that, I'm gonna actually end this here. I did a good bit of game dev, but I think I'm gonna call it maybe quits for tonight. Maybe I'll probably I would probably just start working on it immediately after I end stream. But who knows? All right. Well, I'm gonna start the outro music and say my goodbyes. So, thank you all so much for tuning into the stream. If you like what you saw, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join the Discord server so you're notified when I go live. You can talk with me in the community, all that fun stuff. You can also get updates about Jupitr Entertainment games, and also visit the website on screen right now. Definitely out there, you can see our full list of games and stuff. And yeah, subscribe to the channel, join the Discord. Watch Attack, Read Cry, listen to Encore, listen to Failed, new song, Barricade out now. I should probably start the outro music. I don't know how loud that is, my headphones turned off. Watch Sacred Cry, listen to Encore, listen to Failed, new song, Barricade out now. Listen to Bleed Metal song on Barricade, listen to the Sunrise Metal song on Barricade. Listen to Bleed, all that good. Listen to all of those. Follow me on Twitter. Actually, don't follow me on Twitter. Actually, Twitter's not a thing anymore. God dang it, I need to upgrade. I need to update the social media bar again. I updated. Oh my god, that music is so loud. I updated it for Threads, but I didn't foresee Twitter changing its branding anytime soon. So yeah, follow me. Actually, don't follow me there. Follow me on Threads, because I'm hopefully going to be moving there one of these years. But yeah, I think that's it. So thank you all so much for tuning into the stream. Hope you all enjoy what you saw. ASTROMANIA is coming soon, so be prepared for that. Also, play Screens Adventure 3 Across the Cosmos while you wait for that, which was my last game. And yeah, thank you all so much for tuning in. I will see you all in the next stream. Peace out, children. Have a good night.